National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Frederick County in north central Maryland, eastern Washington County in north central Maryland, Carroll County in north central Maryland until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from 18 miles north of Emmitsburg to 10 miles northwest of Wolfsville to 29 miles west of Wolfsville, and were moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wolfsville, Thurmont, Emmitsburg, Taneytown, Braddock Heights, Walkersville, Frederick. Although this line of storms is not producing much lightning, it is still dangerous. Prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania